Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with my Yes, so yes.
Yes, so yes, she is.
Probably came out how many days ago, but just
And
getting
today's my first day of dressing up at work, so I am a Grecian goddess. Grecian being the right word. I was wrong when she corrected me. I'm trying to be what's her name, Hemera, I think, or something. It's the goddess of daylight. So I wear my little kind of like sun-looking earrings or star-looking. I don't know what you'd say they look like. But this is my first outfit, and then tomorrow I'm dressing up again. So maybe you guys will catch me in that tomorrow. Oh, that's cute.
This is resting witch face.
At least it's themed and it's got a cute little, it's like a joke.
And tells you like the prices
price
on
on
the
the
back. 12 value is supposed to be $116. Okay.
We shall see if it's worth that.
Let's see. First thing is Sticks Cosmetics lipstick.
I know that's weird that it's just
Mauve lipstick. I don't like giveaway probably. No, I don't. Should I take it out? Or, I mean, that's what the outside looks like. I could open it and maybe get it back in the package without damaging it, but or should I just leave it?
I would say maybe just leave it if you're gonna give it away. Why damage it?
Okay. Feels like it'd be palette or something.
I feel like my eyebrows are too dark. Let me know if you guys think my eyebrows are too dark. I tried doing blonde and it ended up dark brown. Ooh,
City
is that
Limits.
like a little palette?
City Limits. Let me see.
Yay.
It's a palette of some sort. This I'll open, but I'm not gonna. It'll just go in the giveaway also probably. So if I can open it without ruining it.
Okay, if you open it carefully.
Oh, maybe I'll let you do it. Go for it. She'll try to open that to show everybody while I grab the next thing. Okay, in CLA, Los Angeles, I've been drinking.
We just got one of
Is
those.
the color.
Which is the easier way to open.
It says you have 7 free luxury
Oh, this
nail
is the
left,
easier side.
So
Ooh.
there's only 7 colors on it.
Okay. I didn't want to ruin the box. Hopefully it's got like a plastic over it. Yeah, it doesn't have plastic over it. It's kind of already like,
I know.
I like it, but it's just kind of already, the powder's kind of coming up already. And I was going to try to do that.
Upside down.
My little thing is my costume's not helping. But if you can see that, those are the colors that it comes with. So it looks like mainly eyeshadows. I'm assuming Nightfall's probably a highlighter or an eyeshadow. Is it all eyeshadows?
I think
Does it say?
eyeshadows, I think. I'm just spending so much time on this. I was just a City Limits palette, so I don't know. Okay, but while she's looking at that, this says...
I think they're all just eyeshadows then.
Lighten Up by Mirabella, Imagine Visionary Eyeshadow. So is this an eyeshadow too? Like, those are all eyeshadows and this is an eyeshadow?
I think. This is this palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve tone palette has ideal balance of light, transition, and dark shades. So it sounds like all eyeshadows. But that's good. Maybe you can keep that if you like that. I didn't even say that right. You could probably keep that if you wanted it.
And just put them both in the giveaway.
So
I don't know if you guys can see the color of this one. It's
like
kind of like a
brown?
bronzy, yeah, like. Does it say what the color is?
Oh yes, oh yes. What are you doing?
Just imagine the color. Oh, imagine. I guess is probably the color.
She can only imagine.
I'll probably put that in a giveaway too. Okay. So what is that? 4 so far, right?
I like that it came with a palette though. The fact it was already breaking up.
That's just nothing. Something probably was in there at some point. I think it's the last thing. And the last thing is a scone. Is it scone, right?
Yeah, I think.
Scone lip brush. So this is really tiny. Oh. Mine's will either put that in the giveaway or give it to my sister if she needs one, because I'm pretty sure I have a lip brush already.
But I know. I kind of want a brush, and then I'm like, do I?
And this is the one I don't know what it's called, like an ambassador for?
Yeah, or like if you use a link that hopefully we'll include below. I think you can get, was it like your first box for 10 or something?
Or just, I think it's a
discount
or something.
10% or something.
I can't remember.
Something. We'll try to include it down below. We just haven't heard a lot from the companies, so we're like, what's going on? But if you like anything you saw in this package, then you can go ahead and choose to do that link if you want some kind of discount. But give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you like. If you like my costume or if you can see all of it, it looks like this. I'm kind of like, you know, it's got long little things on it. It's a really, really old costume that I never wore. But give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you liked. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 100 subscribers, which is coming just around the corner. And we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.